Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how I made this very cute flower puff keychain. So this is a beginner friendly tutorial, so anybody who can crochet can make this very cute keychain. So I am using 2.2mm crochet hook, darning needle, keychain, and the scissor, and also the cotton yarn white and neon red. So you can use any color if you want, your choice. So this is how I made my magic ring. So there's a lot of weight on how to make the magic ring. But for me, this is the easiest one. So this is what I am using always. So then we will chain 1 to lock that magic ring. And then we will add 12 single crochet inside the ring. So insert your hook in the ring, pull the yarn over, and then pull through. Again, that's the single crochet. Insert your hook in the ring, pull the yarn over, and then pull through. So you can pull the tail of the yarn to make the ring a little bit smaller so that it will be easier for you. So again, insert your hook in the ring, pull the yarn over, and then pull through. So we will make 12 single crochet inside the ring. So I pull the tail to make it a bit smaller, the ring, and then I'll continue making my single crochet. So we will count. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So when we already done our 12 single crochet, we will close the ring completely. So we'll just pull the tail tightly. So this is how it looks like after that 12 single crochet inside the ring. So we will just cut the yarn to change the color for the petals of our flower. So for our petal, we will start by making a slip knot. And then we will attach them together. So we will just insert our hook in the 2 loops in our white yarn, and then pull that slip knot of that neon red color, and then we will chain 3. We'll cut this tail first. Now for our petal, after that chain 3, we will yarn over. Insert your hook in the same stitch where you make that chain 3. Pull the yarn over, and then pull 2 loops. So that's like a double crochet but unfinished. Again, yarn over, insert your hook in the same stitch, pull the yarn over, and then pull 2 loops. Again, yarn over, insert your hook in the same stitch, pull the yarn over, and then pull 2 loops. So now we have 4 loops on our hook, and then in the next stitch, we will yarn over, insert our hook in that next stitch, and then pull the yarn over, pull 2 loops. We are repeating what we are making in that first stitch, and then again yarn over, insert your hook, pull that yarn over, pull 2 loops again. Again, once more, we will do it 3 times. So yarn over, insert your hook in the same stitch, pull the yarn over, pull 2 loops. Now you have 7 loops in on the ring, on the hooks. So there you go, that's 7, and then we will pull that all together. So yarn over, pull the yarn, and then lock that or chain 1. Another, we will chain 2. Okay, so 1, 2. So it's like 3 chain of 3. And then we will slip stitch in the same stitch where we make our 3 unfinished double crochet. So insert your hook, pull the yarn and then slip stitch. And then, so here's our first petal. We'll just arrange that. So we'll do it again. So for our second petal, we will slip stitch in that very next stitch. And then we will chain 2. So 1, 2. So then we will make that unfinished double crochet. So yarn over, insert your hook in the same stitch where you make your chain of 2, pull the yarn over, pull 2 loops. Again, yarn over, insert your hook in that same stitch, pull the yarn over, pull 2 loops. And then again, once more, yarn over, insert your hook in same stitch, pull the yarn over, pull 2 loops. And then in the next stitch, okay, in the next stitch, we will add again 3 unfinished double crochet. So yarn over, insert your hook in that stitch, pull the yarn over, pull 2 loops. Again, yarn over, insert your hook in that stitch, and then pull the yarn over, pull 2 loops. Again, yarn over, insert that hook in the same stitch, pull the yarn over, and then we will pull all these 7 loops now. So yarn over and then pull that yarn, and then we will chain 3. So 1, 2, and then 3, and then we will slip stitch in the same stitch where we make our 3 unfinished double crochet. So insert that hook in the same stitch and then pull that yarn, and then we'll make our slip stitch. So we're making 6 petals. So we'll keep doing that until we complete our 6 petals. So this is how it looks like after that 3 petals. It should have remaining 6 stitches to make another 3 of the petals. So I'll finish mine off cam, and I'll meet you at the end of the 6 petals. So there you go, I'm done with it. So we will just lock it and cut our yarn, and then we will make another one of this. So after you cut your yarn, just sew that remaining tail at the back of your at the back of your project, so it will look neat. And then we will make another one. So our first flower is done. So this is how it looks like. So I made 2 already. So we will just attach them together to complete our project. So I'll show you how I attach them. So you just have to arrange them and then sew it. So it should be the petals are facing to each other. And then sew them together. Just simple as that. And then we will connect the keychain. So yeah, sew them around the 2 flowers. And then we will attach our keychain. So this is like a 10 minutes project for the one who already know how to crochet, not a beginner. But if you're a beginner, I think you can use, you can make this in 30 minutes. So as simple as that, you will have a very cute keychain. So go ahead, make one for yourself. And if you don't know how to crochet yet, start to learn it today. And you will be surprised that you can make as cuter as this or more cuter than this. So thank you guys. Thank you for watching my videos. See you in my next video. Bye bye.